Want to learn how to draw this cowboy hat? I'll show you how step by step. Let's draw together. Okay, so we are going to start off with a curved line for the brim of the hat. And then we're going to start on one side and we're going to come down. It almost looks like a smile and back up. Now we're going to start at the top on the right side and we're going to wrap this line around to the bottom. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Wrap it around to the bottom. Alright, that's the hardest part. The rest of it's a little easier. So right where you ended here, kind of imagine a line coming up, and that's where we're going to start. Same thing on the other side. That's where we're going to end. Now think of this kind of like a McDonald's arch. So we're going to come up, down, up, down. Kind of like a letter M. Now that's the basics of the hat. You can add any kind of details you want now. I'm going to add a line for kind of like a strap on the cowboy hat. And then you could add maybe a star or a horseshoe or whatever you would like on your hat. All right, let's speed it up and start to color. If you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see each other again soon.